Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the Average Joe Dividends YouTube channel. If you've been following this journey, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe so that you do not miss future videos. Also, please click the like button to help grow this channel and get the word out on dividend growth investing. Getting paid just for owning stocks. This is what dividend growth investing is all about. My main objective is to show a replicable way of building an ever-growing and reliable income stream, one that does not rely on the volatility of the stock market. You simply own the shares of successful companies and you're automatically paid. In this video, I'm going to show you the dividends that I received for the month of July. I'm a buy and hold investor and I buy more shares every week. The reason that I create these videos is to show you what kind of dividends you could expect from a portfolio this size, as well as how those dividends grow over time. What we're looking at right now is my M1 stock brokerage account. This is a taxable account for my dividend portfolio. And what we'll do is we're just going to jump right into the activity log, because what I like to do is actually show you the dividends that I received for the month of July. Rather than just tell you or show you numbers on the screen, let's go ahead and filter this by dividends only. We're going to have to go back in time to the start of July. So I'm going to go to the next page and get our first payers here. And we'll start with, actually, let's go to, it looks like a lot of these spilled over. I'm not sure how I counted those, but let's start in July 3rd with Allstate. And the reason why I say that is, even though these say they paid June 30th, there's a 1-day delay with M1, so I really received those on July 1st. But we'll start with Allstate here. $5.41 July 3rd. ADP $3.28 on July 3rd also. Then we'll go with Coca-Cola, $8.82. Then HP paid next on the 5th, $5.36. Then Kimberly-Clark, $10.66 on the 5th. And Best Buy, July 6th, $7.31. And JEPI on the 7th paid me $85.53. American Tower, $4.75. Merck, $8.09 on the 10th. And then on the 13th, Illinois Tool Works, $6.79. Medical Properties, $45.93. And then in the 14th, Agree Realty, $2.56. And then Leggett & Platt, $16.43. O Realty, $7.30. WP Carey, $17.51. Medtronic, $5.21. Fifth Third on the 17th, $14.57. Extra Space Storage, this was an extra dividend that was paid. I'll get more into that in a little bit. But on the 19th, paid me $8. And then Cisco on 26th, $9.61. Then Oracle, $4.61. And then the last dividends that came in actually this morning on the 1st were BST for $269.52. And then JP Morgan, $4.35. I'm going to jump over to a Google Doc spreadsheet, and I'll just walk you through it really quick. It shows the company ticker symbol, share price, shares, market value, cost basis, my gain or loss, dividend per share, current yield. This is my yield on cost. You can see the dividend date. I have everything arranged here from oldest to newest. On dividend date, we are in the light greens. I have a key down below here. We are in July, so we are in the first month of quarter 3. And we can see here, these are the actual dividends paid right here. And I have all the dollar amounts of everything I had read off. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that, and we'll get a total, and we can see for the total for July, and this is just in my dividend portfolio, $551.60. And what I do with these dividends is I reinvest them or drip them right back from which they came. And you can see here, so next time you can see what the dividends will be when these pay again. And we can see that, for example, like ADP, it's going to pay 331 instead of 328. You can see that these are all incrementing to be more money as the dividends are being reinvested. You can see here with JEPI, though, I decided to sell this position. They announced yet again a lower dividend, so I decided to remove them from the portfolio. And what I did was I replaced all the JEPI with BST. I'll show you that real quick right now. There's 3 buys and 1 sell. You can see the majority of it was to BST, 13,268. A little bit in SCHD, and we can see the JPM. That was a dividend drip right there. You can see what that's going to do. It's going to increase also. You can see the BST dividend was large at 269.52. For next month, it's going to be 365.18. That's, of course, if I don't buy more shares. The BST dividend of 25 cents per share has been really steady. So if you're interested in BST, you'll need to buy 4 shares to get $1 per month. You can see that'd be 35.25 currently times 4. That would be your cost to get $1 of income per month. I'm going to go over now to the dividend tracker sheet. We're going to take a look at how the portfolio did compared to the last month here. We can see here from June, and then we closed out July at right around 214. I round it to the nearest 100 and round down. So we're down today. We were just over 214 yesterday. You can see there's the dividends of 551.60. Here's what the average monthly dividend was. We were at 824.72 before this morning, and there was an increase in my monthly income of an additional $679 for the month. My deposits were $500 for the month, and we just went into August today, and we're down a couple $100. And you can see the average monthly dividend, we're up an additional $950, and that is because I got rid of JEPI from my dividend portfolio and also reinvested the BST and JP Morgan dividends that I received. And we can see here, tomorrow I'm scheduled to receive a couple more dividends. We can see tomorrow I'm going to receive a General Mills and Verizon. You see over $50 in dividends just for waking up tomorrow. And of course, those will be reinvested back into the portfolio. So again, the total for the month of July, $551.60. I've heard some people say in the comments that, hey, that's not a whole lot of money for such a large dividend portfolio. And I could, by all means, put everything into a high yield investment, but to me that limits the growth. This is an investment for years. I want my dividend to grow. I don't want it to be stagnant. So that's why I have many different positions in this portfolio, down to 69 different positions. I'm down from 70, and I may do further cutting in the future. Who knows? But if you got value from this video, please click the like button. And thanks for sticking to the end, and subscribe so you do not miss future videos. Everyone have a great day.